Hello everyone, my name is Ari, and in this video we're going to be having a look at KDA. But before that, we're going to be diving into a Bitcoin technical analysis, because obviously it's definitely been Bitcoin season and KDA did take a nice little of a swing to the upside lately. But of course that's only because Bitcoin has been going up. So we're going to be having a look at this chart. We're going to be diving in straight into it, and then after that, moving forward, we're going to be having a look at Kadena, why I think that it can grow even though it solves a crypto trilemma, and what's my price prediction moving on from there. So having a look right here, and this is not FUD by the way, I'm still holding. So having a look right here at Bitcoin, you guys can see that first of all, Bitcoin, let me move this thing right here. Let me move this. We could see that we did have a nice little breakout above this nice little resistance. So Bitcoin has been in a downwards trend since April 9, 2024. So a little bit over a month, we've been in this downward trend. Every time we came above this level of resistance line, we got rejected and came back down. We also are consolidating between this level right here, which is currently 71,786, and of course $59,000, $60,000. Bitcoin did peak down to as low as $56,457. And the big question is, where is it going next? Will Bitcoin go back to 71,786, or is this just a fake out? Because we know historically Bitcoin has been doing a lot of fake outs, okay? Especially in this bull run. So obviously we're going to have to pay attention closely to this support resistance. And another thing I do want to talk about, guys, is probably this Fibonacci level right here. Okay, so historically, we know that fibs, they work pretty well. Okay, not all the time, but they do work pretty well. Now, a level I am eyeing is probably the 618, 618 Fibonacci golden pocket. This is why it is pretty much right here in yellow. And I really think that the fib can go down to, or Bitcoin can go down to as low as $52,000 before essentially going back up. So this is the golden pocket right here. Obviously, this is where I will be going very, very long aggressively into everything. Right now, I do have a long on Ethereum. If you guys are in my Telegram channel, the link will be in the description below. I opened a 49 ETH long. Nothing too crazy, up $48. Ethereum hasn't been doing much. It hasn't really been active lately. Not a lot of volatility, but that's what's happening right now on my trade. And of course, guys, Bitcoin, going back into Bitcoin and taking away this Fibonacci, you guys can see that not only are we at the 618 Fibonacci golden pocket, but this level is also where pretty much everything almost started. So yes, the Bitcoin cycle really started right here, but everything started right here. That's when everything went parabolic for Bitcoin. So to come back at this level at $52,000 actually makes a lot of sense. We had a nice little consolidation for a few days before essentially going parabolic from $50,000 all the way to as high as $74,000 right here. Now, why am I bearish right here on the daily time frame for Bitcoin? Well, another thing is that we know historically, guys, every time we are on overbought on a stochastic RSI, we usually end up coming down, right? So we were overbought right here, and guess what happened? Bitcoin did all of that. And the fact that right now we are overbought sitting at $65,000, I wouldn't be surprised if the stochastic RSI comes back down to 23. So anything above 80 is overbought on the crypto. Anything below 20 is oversold. So you want to pretty much be buying when it's oversold, which was right here. So right here, we were really, really oversold, had a nice little fake out right here, and pretty much climbed back above support. So that's what's happening right here for Bitcoin. Very, very, very interesting, not only on the stock RSI, but of course on the Fibonacci retracement. Now, you need to keep in mind, guys, that we were overbought right here at $71,000, and now we're overbought at 65, which is $5,000 below, or even $6,000 below the original overbought region. So you can expect a massive move to the downside. A lot of people think that the bull runs back and everything's going to be going to the upside. Very, very possible, but the only way I would see that happening is if we break this level sitting at $72,000. So that's my analysis for Bitcoin, guys. And the reason why I'm starting with Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin's the leader, as I've been saying in all my videos. And Bitcoin is literally not going any, or crypto, sorry, altcoins are not going to really go anywhere if Bitcoin keeps on dumping. So having a look right here, going into KDA, we need a KDA is back at 80 cents, back under $1. We thought that this was never going to happen. Market cap sitting at $218 million. The 24-hour trading volume is $4.5 million. Now, why is KDA not growing like Solana? Why is it not growing like other cryptocurrencies, even though their tech is good? So KDA, we all know this. It solves a crypto trilemma. It solves, security, decentralization. They can do, high transaction speeds, and that's about it. So security, decentralized, scalability. They can solve all that. But, one of the biggest questions in crypto that a lot of people don't understand is adoption. How can we get Kadena to adopt or people to adopt the KD ecosystem, network, the coin? How can we get people to get to trade it on, right? So, in my opinion, guys, we know right now that right now a lot of people are shifting to NFTs, but in my opinion, KDA NFTs won't really do anything since the NFT market right now, even for Ethereum and Solana, is completely dead. Okay, so in my opinion, NFT are completely dead, and KDA was in a massive delay for that. Kadena was in a huge delay. Okay, when everything was going off, they pretty much released everything when everything was dying, and they were hoping that the NFT market was gonna pretty much come back, in the next bull market. And right now we are in the next bull market, and guess what? It's not coming back. I don't think the NFT market is coming back. I've been saying this for a year. And what's funny is that a year ago when I said that, people were like, oh, this is the bottom. Just because Crypto said NFTs are not coming back, I'm going to go ahead and buy some NFTs because it's most likely going to go up. And guess what happened? It tanked even more, 80%. So if I were you guys, I would forget about NFTs. What is the hot market right now? Shit coins. Okay. We tried shit coins. KDA needs more shit coins. Okay. It can't just have one or two. Yes, it needs more meme coins. Okay. A lot of people are developing meme coins on Phantom, on Arbitrum, on Optimism, on AVAX, but no one is really doing something on KDA. Now, obviously, it's going to be easier on these layer twos to do it because it's kind of like on DEX tools and whatnot. But I think that KDA needs to be on DEX tools. I think we need to have a easier and friendly user platform on that. And then we're going to see the volume go up. Once more people want to see and get on shitcoins, then we're most likely going to see KDA price go up because you need to get KDA in order to buy shitcoins. That's literally the only reason why Solana is going up. The reason why Solana is going up right now, sitting at $160 or $159, is because of shitcoins. People are buying GME, people are buying shitcoins, people are buying AMC on Solana, and that's why it's going up. So it doesn't matter if Solana has power outage and they keep on shutting down and they have to restart the whole ecosystem once or every 2 months. That doesn't matter. What matters is that people are actually using Solana. And in order for us to use KDA, let's say I make this video and I get 500 views, right? We all need to essentially get on the next coin on KDA and pretty much start to develop more coins. Maybe I'll make a tutorial on developing a coin and then everyone can go buy that and then the hype will start. But pretty much this is how it's going to start. Having a look at the charts right here, KDA is looking not so great. I'm not going to lie. A lot of people think it's looking bullish. It's not looking bullish. It could look bullish if people start to get into it because right now, what it's doing, it's following the stochastic RSI and it's not good. Okay, so what's bullish about this is that yes, we are extremely oversold on the stochastic RSI. The last time we hit rock bottom on the stochastic RSI was right here. And guess what happened, right? It continued to go down all the way to 42 cents. So it seems like it's coming back down to the levels where we were at, and it's not really doing anything. It's not disrespecting the technical analysis. And in my opinion, we need to see some disrespectful analysis right here. We need to see KDA not respect the analysis and not just be here for trading. We need to destroy the charts. We need to go up. We need to go parabolic. We need to see some more action, some more meme coin, easy developers going and making coins, pretty much the way people are developing Solana meme coins. So that's what's happening right now for KDA, guys. My price prediction, if we end up making memes and we end up developing and everyone on Twitter end up going crazy and we get a bunch of retweets and, the community does its thing, then obviously we could see KDA explode. If you're not going to go on Twitter and you're not going to retweet other people's tweet and you're not going to essentially, have a strong community and you're not going to participate, you're not going to see your KDA bag literally go up. You're just not because you have meme coins right now. Okay. that are literally at 800,000 market cap that are doing way more volume than KDA. And why is that? I mean, why is that? Why is this coin right here at $2 million market cap with a 24 volume of $3.5 million doing more volume? Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, these are shit coins that literally was just released about 2 hours ago, and they're doing more volume. Look at that AMC, 4 million market cap, 24-hour volume. Why is KDA a market cap of $270 million only generating literally $4.5 million a month, like or a day? Why? It makes absolutely no sense to me. Look at that GME right here, another one, $48 million volume, market cap 45 million. So you see, like, obviously these things are here. Meme coins are attracting a lot of this, and in order to essentially go up, we need to have the first meme coin to explode, and we could do it together. It's going to take some time probably, but we saw what happened to Solana, right? It had its first meme coin to go up, whether that's freaking Pepe or whatnot. Pepe, I believe, was on ETH. Yeah, it was on ETH. I don't know what Solana's first crazy ass meme coin was, but maybe it was with. We saw that exploding. So we need to see the same thing happening to KDA in order to see massive, massive, massive gains on the KDA chart. So that is my video, guys. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in